The state of Indiana just limited rapid antigen tests at their sites to children and older adults with symptoms. They're still doing the slower PCR test for everyone else, but those appointments are filling up fast. Fox 55's Brianna Bias talked to Allen County health officials to find out where you can get a test and how long you'll have to wait.
You might find it difficult to get a COVID test in Northeast Indiana for a while. Mindy Waldron with the Allen County Department of Health says case numbers are soaring, and the demand for rapid antigen tests is too.
The state's reasoning behind limiting the rapid testing to those two age groups, which are 18 and under and then 50 and above with symptoms, is because those are likely the most vulnerable.
So what tests are left for everyone else? The slower but more accurate PCR tests.
There's really not a lot of difference in the wait time either for a rapid if you qualify or the PCR, because we do them in tandem or at the same time and with the same people. So we do book up pretty quickly.
It takes at least 4 days to get an appointment at the county's testing site right now. But by then, you could have already spread the virus. Because of that, your best bet may be to stand in line for a walk-in appointment instead of scheduling. But if you do that, you'll need to allot some time. The line gets pretty long, and you could be here for as long as an hour. And that's what Haley Archer decided to do, even though she'd have to wait 30 to 60 minutes.
It's definitely hard because if you start getting symptoms now and you go online, they're booked out until the next following week or a couple days later. And if you need to get in now, it's really hard. I know last time I had COVID, I went to ReadyMed and I waited for 4 hours.
But even though the state is, not all private testing sites are limiting rapid tests.
It's just the local health department and state sites, not all sites doing rapids. For instance, in Allen County, there's 28 other sites that might do rapids.
But no matter where you go to get your official test, Waldron suggests you take an at-home test first and only schedule an appointment if your at-home test is positive. If it is positive, it's not impossible to get an appointment at a testing site. You just might have to scour the internet a little bit to find an open slot. In Fort Wayne, I'm Brianna Bias, Fox 55 News.
Waldron emphasized there are other places to get rapid tests if you're not in the state's provider's qualifying age group. She says wherever you go to get tested, safety measures like wearing a mask and social distancing are more important now than ever.